What's going on, y'all? Back with another video. Y'all already know who it is, man. Y'all seen the title, seen the thumbnail. Y'all already know what we about to get into today, man. Today we're gonna be attempting to clean the headlights in the Lincoln, man. Yeah, that's right. We're working on the L dog today, man. Nothing major this time, but yeah, as y'all know, man, them headlights can make or break your car, man. Your car could be nice as hell, but your headlight yellow, hazy, looking all old and grimy, it can throw the whole look of the car, man. So today we attempting to clean the headlights, man. So if y'all here just watching the video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified every time I drop a video about car audio or the L dog, man, or anything else in general. But with all that said, man, if y'all already subscribed to the channel, I want to let y'all know I appreciate y'all for the support, for even checking the channel out, let alone subscribing to it, man. It mean a whole bunch to me, man. And if you just watching the video and you haven't subscribed, man, please consider subscribing to the channel, y'all. It's a growing family, as y'all can see. You know, y'all check the channel out, y'all can see the subscribers going up daily. You know, it ain't much daily, but it's going up, and that's good, man. That's great. You know what I'm saying? I owe all that to everybody that didn't even consider subscribing and even checking the channel out. But with all that talking said and done, man, let's get straight into the video, y'all. Cause I'm dying to see if this stuff works. Show y'all the stuff that I'm gonna be using this time. I already started on one headlight. I already took it out and everything. But I'm gonna show y'all the quick process of taking the headlight off. You know what I'm saying? It only shouldn't take no more than 3 to 5 minutes to pop your headlight out and put it back in and all that, man. Lincoln did an excellent job in designing these headlights, if you ask me, man, cause I think it's like 3 screws and a tab you have to push down. They slide straight out, like no problems at all. Slide back in just as easy. So yeah, this is stuff I'm using, man. Like I said, I had it for a while. Y'all see it leaking at the top and all that. And I had pretty much started on one headlight already, cause like I said, I can't wait to see what it looked like. But this one I'm using, man, is Blue Magic Headlight Lens Restore. So I'ma see what this do, man. After I finish this one headlight I started on, I'm gonna pop that one back in, stand back, and try to give y'all a before and after, you know, see if we can see any type of difference in it. But with that being said, if you never took your headlights out of your town car, man, it's only 3 screws. I'm gonna show y'all now. Okay, you got one here, you got one on that side, and you have one down here. It's only one, so see if I can get that in there on y'all there. You have one up in here, which is right there, and one right there. Take them out, take them screws out, bolts out, whatever you want to call them. You push this tab right here down, and the whole assembly actually slides straight out like no problem. And you only have one harness you have to disconnect, just one. You know what I'm saying? You press the tab on that, wiggle it out, and that's it. The headlight out. See, can we apply this stuff right quick, man? It shouldn't take much. Rubbing in a circular motion, like so. Okay, we got that first coat off. Y'all see it? Ooh, that thing look brand new already. Good God. I'm gonna have to hit it with a couple more coats though, man. Cause you know, you never could be too sure. But man, that stuff, hey, y'all seen what they look like, but they're pretty much brand new looking to me. Hey, they almost look brand new. But there it does, work the muscle, boy. But yeah, y'all see we got complete coverage over the light, man. Complete coverage. So I'm about to get my damp rag. I'm gonna wipe that a little bit off, and we're gonna see what it look like, y'all. We're gonna see exactly what the thing look like. That ought to make the LED look pretty good in there, man. shit was over there. Now imagine what the old one looked like. The head. It looked pretty damn good. It ain't the best at all, but it looked good, man. Way better than what it was. So I'm about to let that dry off a little bit, and once that dry, man, wipe it down again. They get all the extra residue off of it. I'm gonna pop it in there and let y'all see what it look like side by side comparison. All right, as y'all can see, it's not a huge difference, but it is a difference. I'm probably in bad light, man. Y'all probably can't see that good, but it is a difference. Take a good look at this one. You see all the hazing and yellowing on the side and all that. And then we go over here. And hey, the yellow hazing and all that gone. So, like I say, I wasn't expecting perfection, and I wasn't expecting for it to look brand spanking new. So, for what I paid for and what it was, man, it looked pretty good, man. It looked better than what it did. So another side marker, man. Oh man, the side markers look pretty much almost new. I ain't gonna say they look new, but they look almost new. Compared to this, man, the other side look almost new, dude. Okay, y'all remember how yellow and hazy this one was? Man, look at it now. Haze to it. It's still a little wet, so I'm gonna have to wipe it off again, but the yellow on this side marker is gone, you know. And that little haze y'all seeing now comes from being wet. I got to dry it off, so. But yeah, turned out pretty decent, man. I can't even lie. But I'm about to throw this back in and slide that back in and show y'all what it looked like all together, man. What y'all think, man? What do y'all think, man? Like I said, they still look a little hazy, but I wasn't expecting perfection, man. I wasn't expecting perfection. As y'all can see, all that little yellow haze that was on this side marker gone. That's a win. They still got a little haze to them, but they are a little bit clear. I can't lie. But I also ain't gonna lie, like, you know, they just directly perfect, because they not. But they are definitely better than what they were. Which was my goal, man, to try to make them a tad bit better than what they were. So, like I said, they look a little better. They do. They truly do. But, man, they're going to be it for this video, y'all. I hope y'all liked it, man. You know, if y'all got any other ideas on how to clean your headlights and all that other stuff, man, drop it down in the comment section. Let me know. Cause I ain't scared to try it, y'all. I ain't scared to try it at all. But, like I said, I got a whole bunch of upgrades coming for the car, man. But y'all got to tune in. You got to be patient with me, man. Because, you know, this stuff ain't cheap out here, man. You know, got to grind for it. So, y'all bear with me, man. But like I say, the Lincoln is going to be epic, man. And I'm going to take y'all along with me on this journey, man. It's going to be one of a kind, man. A one of a kind Lincoln. One of a kind, man. All type of upgrades and customizations going on, man. And I want y'all to take that journey with me, man. Show other people that love these Lincoln, man. If you're a Lincoln lover, man, y'all gonna love this, man. So y'all tune in to the channel, man. And I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. This Bass Addict, I'm out of here, man.